Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing different handmade craft ideas that are simple, beautiful and very creative. These crafts are not only for decoration but also teach us patience, hard work and creativity. Handmade items always have a love inside them because they are made with heart and effort. In this video, you will see amazing ideas including jute rope craft that look elegant and natural. So stay with me till the end and get inspired. Handmade crafts are a beautiful way to express creativity. When we create something with our own hands, it gives us happiness and confidence. Even simple materials can turn into something wonderful. Always remember, creativity is more important than expensive materials. Jute rope crafts are very popular because they look natural and classy. Jute rope is cheap, eco-friendly and easy to use. You can make baskets, wall hangings and flower vases with it. Small efforts can create big beauty. Making a jute rope basket is very simple. You only need rope and glue. Slowly roll the rope in a circle and shape it into a bowl. And this teaches us patience because good things take time. You can decorate all bottles with jute rope. Wrap the rope around the bottle and add lace or flowers. This turns waste into something stylish. It also teaches us not to waste things. Handmade wall hangings with jute rope look very elegant. You can add beads, mirrors, or small artificial flowers. When we decorate our home ourselves, it feels more special. All ideas is very creative because crochet crafts are also beautiful handmade ideas. Crochet bags, mats, and covers look very attractive. Learning new skills like crochet increase our confidence. Paper crafts are simple and very creative. You can make flowers, cards, and decorations. Even children can learn paper craft easily. Creativity has no age limit. All ideas is very creative and keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Most beautiful, most demanding, different, amazing and very creative articles. And at very amazing and very beautiful jute craft ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very beautiful, very unique, very stylish art and outstanding demanding articles. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. ये लो क्या कह रहे हो? रेडी? क्या कह रहे थे? अच्छा एक मिनट बस ये बंद कर दूँ वीडियो तो करने दो वीडियो को एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय थैंक यू।